Hello and welcome to a TechRide Portal demonstration. Today we are going to be taking a look at the store setup. The first thing we're going to do is create a new setup. So on the information tab, you're going to put just general information of the store and the location. So you're going to put in the store name, the time zone you're in, which you can choose from. You can then add the street, city, state, and the postal code, along with the latitude and longitude, just for precise location of the restaurant. The email you insert here will be where you will receive a copy of the order that has been placed, and the phone number that you insert here will be in the confirmation email that the customer can call if they would like to get in contact with the restaurant. A price tier can be chosen when you have multiple locations and wish to have different prices at each. So for example, one location may have a BLT sandwich you're selling for $5, but in a downtown location where prices are more premium, you can sell it at $10, for example. If you scroll down, you can insert a store landing page image as well as a store banner image by choosing it from your files. Next, we're going to be taking a look at timing. I'm just going to click Edit on an existing setup, and then I'm going to press Timing. Here you can select the time and the days when you want the ordering site to be live, so it's a schedule. And if we scroll down here where you see Add Store Alternative Timings, you can add a description and the times and days of when this alternative timing is. So this is used for things like holidays when it's not a usual occurrence. And then you can just add a description of what's going on so that you and your staff know what this timing is and when you're going to be open until. Next, we will look at menu. Again, I'm going to press Edit on an existing store and press Menu. So after you create a menu in the Menu Setup tab, you must link it to an order type and a channel. In this instance, I'm going to click Bar Menu, and I'm going to do Takeout, for example. We're talking about order app here, so for channel, I'm going to choose website. The menu level is defaulted at 1, so I'm going to choose 1, but you can add different levels, which lets you have different prices on different applications, for example. The promise time is shown under ASAP when customers can choose what time they're going to order at. You can have a 5-minute buffer, so if I choose, say, 25 minutes as the promise time, order app will show the promise time from 25 to 30 minutes. The last order time is how many minutes before you close that your last order can be placed. So for example, if I choose that my close time is 11 o'clock, that's when the restaurant closes, and I put 30 minutes here, my last order will be at 10:30. After that, no orders are accepted. I'm then going to finally click Is Active and press Save. I'm now going to be showing you the delivery zone. I'm going to edit an existing setup and click Delivery Zone. It's a super simple concept that allows you to mark the radius of where you want delivery to be available. So anyone in this radius that I've marked will be allowed to order delivery. Anyone outside of this radius will not be able to order delivery on Order App. Finally, we'll take a look at the great feature called Order Throttling. I'm going to edit an existing setup and I'm going to click Throttle on the top. So here you can easily enable and disable the delivery and pickup options on Order App. And if you want to add delays on delivery and pickup for the day, you can add them here. When you click the Busy Hour tab, there are a lot more great features under. The first one is the snooze setting. So if you just want to snooze online ordering for a short period of time because there's a backlog happening with the orders, you can simply click this on and then check off the snooze order time. So it can be 20 minutes, 40 minutes, or you can snooze it for the rest of the day. So if you notice there are consistent times where you're receiving too many orders, like Fridays and Saturdays, for example, you can actually set times where Order App will be paused. So simply set the time and days and set a max order count and max order value. When that max order counts are reached, it will turn off online ordering for the day. Just make sure that in-store orders and online orders are added together. So take that into account when creating that max order count. So say I have 9 in-store orders and 1 online order. Since it's added together, that equals 10, which will disable my online ordering as it is hit the max order count. You can also create additional promise time, which will be shown on Order App when Throttle Daywise is turned on. Simply click Add, and the preview will be shown. And just in simpler terms, just to sum it out, throttling would increase the default promise time as you set it. And if the order count or order value hits the defined value that you put in, then the slot will be removed. And that's going to sum it up for the store setup. And thanks for listening.